This formative assessment was about classes and objects, and one of the important distinctions that we need to make is the difference between a class and an object. A class, as the book says, is like a cookie cutter, and the actual object is like the cookie. In this particular task, we're dealing with a wallet class. That's our recipe or our cookie cutter. And my wallet, that's the actual cookie. I could have an object called my wallet and an object called your wallet and an object called his wallet, but they're all coming from the same class, the wallet class. So the first half of this exam is really about using the wallet class, not actually writing it, but just using it. And this first problem says, instantiate an object called my wallet from the wallet class and pass it an argument of 1,000 as an integer number of pesos in my wallet. It's a single line of code, and whenever we instantiate or create an object, we say what type of object or the class of the object that we're creating, wallet. We're creating a wallet called my wallet, and we do that by making a new wallet. This calls the wallet constructor, and it tells us to pass it an argument of 1,000 as an integer, and this is the number of pesos, that are in the wallet. There it is. Okay, now we want to use this object. Number 2, it says use the object of type wallet that you instantiated in problem number 1. That's this. My wallet is the object of type wallet that I created or instantiated, created an instance of in this problem. And we're going to call the take cash method with an integer argument of 400 pesos. So we can use our intuition and think about this. You know, this is like taking 400 pesos out of your wallet, the wallet you just created that has 1,000 pesos in it. And so I might do my wallet, take my object, dot take cash, and I'm taking out 400 pesos. There it is. Number 3, it just introduces another method. It says to use the object of type wallet that we instantiated in problem number 1. Again, that's called my wallet. That's what we did up here. We made a wallet object called my wallet. And we're going to write a line of code that prints out a statement, something that says your wallet has so many pesos in it. We don't know how many it is really. Well, if we go back, we can see that it should come up with about 600 pesos. But my line of code is not going to know that. It's just going to use the check cash method, which doesn't take any arguments, but it returns the amount of money in the wallet. So I'm going to write a line of code that prints out something. So I'll start with system.out.println. And I'm going to print out something that says your wallet has blank pesos in it. So your wallet has, and I'm going to end my quotations there because I'm going to use the check cash method to actually put the number of pesos here. And the way I do that is by saying my wallet dot check cash, like that. So this is going to say like your wallet has some amount, and then I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to finish with pesos in it. Close my quotes, close my parentheses for my system.out.println call, and then add a semicolon. There we go. And number 4 says, using the object of type wallet that you instantiated in problem 1 again. All right, that's my wallet. I instantiated a wallet, an object of type wallet, and I am calling my object my wallet. So we're going to use that object again, and we're going to call the add cash method with an integer argument of 100 pesos. So how do we do that? My wallet, okay, that's my object. I want to call the add cash method, and I'm going to give it an argument of 100. And that is it. So the first 4 questions on this test are really just about creating an object of type wallet and then calling its methods that are described in the questions. This next part, number 5, is about writing the wallet class. So we're going to use this information in order to understand what our wallet class looks like. So we're going to do a little bit of design work, and that's going to be in the second, part 2, the second video for this formative.